Hello dear children, today we are going to make mandala art. Let's enjoy the different type of activity. Children, for this mandala art activity we need scale, rounder, protractor, pencil, black gel pen, ball pen or any other pen. First I have taken the center of the paper. Okay, then I have marked on 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 10 centimeter. After marking, I have drawn circle on each and every point. Like this circle, I have drawn from each and every point. After completing that much, children, I have taken this protractor, I have kept it like this and I have marked on each and every 10 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 till 180. After completing that much, children, I have drawn the lines from the center and I have got such a type of mandala grid. Okay, after completing this much, children, first this center I have kept like this only. Then this 4 to 4.5 centimeter distance, we are not going to draw anything in it. Then 4.5 to 6 centimeter, 4.5 to 6 centimeter, children, we are going to draw like this petal shape. Okay, we are going to draw in whole this circle. After completing that much, I will leave little distance from here and the next 7 centimeter, then I have joined like a petal. Like this we are going to complete for whole circle. Then I have leave 7 to 7.5 centimeter and then till center I have drawn like this lines, 7.5 to 9 centimeter circle, and then I have drawn like this semicircle over here. So we will get each and every circle properly. After completing, we are going to mark in middle and we are going to draw another petal. If you want to change the shape, you can change the shape. Okay. After completing whole circle, we are going to make a double line to each and every petal, like this here, okay, even here also. Then we are going to draw some designs in it. First, here we have got one line, so I am making double line over here. Then we are going to make a checks here. Okay, and here I am drawing some semicircles, children. Okay, once again I will show you. First I will draw this line over here, then I will make a double line to it. Here we are going to draw some semicircles, giving some dot inside, and here I am making a checks. Okay, like this we are going to do for this whole circle. After completing this much, I am going to draw some semicircles over here. Then I will draw some petal shape. And the remaining part we are going to fill it. Wow, it is looking so nice. Now the next is this semicircle. We are going to give another line here. Then we are going to draw some circles here. Okay, and the remaining part we are going to fill it. Once again I will show you children. First we are going to make double line, then 2 semicircles inside, then draw circles, and we are going to fill the portion which is around the circle. Okay, at the end on this last petal we are going to draw a shape like a peacock. Okay, once again I will show you. First border it, then here we are going to draw 1 1, Marathi 1, Marathi no, like this. Join over here, draw 2 eyes, and remaining portion we are going to fill it. Children, for mandala art we need patience, so take your time and complete this mandala art. After completing our picture, see, our picture will look like this.